Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hold on, let me get this rotated. Okay, I'm back. So I got everything rotated, that way I don't have to edit the video. I hope you all are having a great, what is today? Today is Thursday, I think. Today is January the 2nd, so that means it's only 21 days until my birthday. I don't have any plans. The only thing I did was take off work. That's it. That's all. What I wanted to do is talk about what I owe to my credit cards as of a couple days ago. So, since we went over this, so since the 31st, I haven't went anywhere. I haven't spent any money at all whatsoever. I still haven't made that change for that $100 bill either. So, first, I owe $12.02 to my Leaders Credit Union credit card. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And for the ones that always are watching my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I am almost at the $100 shoot, what is it called? I'm almost at the $100 threshold. I think when I checked this morning, I was at maybe 83, 84, $85. Not really sure, but hopefully by let's just say February. Hopefully by February I would be able to get a payout. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you all that have been supporting me from the beginning. Thank you all that's been watching my videos all the way to the end. So let's talk about what I owe to my credit cards. Why am I doing this? So I want you all to see what I owe. That way we can go ahead, get it paid off, get it knocked out, because remember I did say in a couple videos ago, I don't want to take debt from one month and carry it over to the next when it comes to credit cards. So I owe Leaders Credit Union $12.12, and that's because I got a phone case. Hopefully when I get the phone today, because I've canceled and ordered and canceled and canceled and ordered phones. I just want to make sure that the phone I'm getting is okay and I don't have to return it. So, phone case, $12.12 for my Care credit card. So, remember I told you all they upgraded my credit card. Finally, I've had the same credit card for Care Credit since, I don't know, maybe 2013, and they finally sent me their rewards card, MasterCard, or whatever it is. So I did pay for my tire. I already owed $110.44. Remember when I told you all I went out of town and may end up needing to use some money? That's what I used it on. That's how I was able to get my gas and all of that. So altogether I owe $257.22. When I pay back the $55 from grocery, which I need to make change for, and the $140 for the stupid tire, yes, we're calling it stupid tire, I'll just have to pay $55.22. Next, we have Capital One. So we have Discover. No, that's not right. We have State Farm bill for the month of December. I do have all of that in full, and I did send Dee. She was just trying out the goals option when it comes to premieres, so I did send her $2, which is paid by Capital One points. So I owe them $259.76. I do have all of that money. For Discover, I owe Discover $30.58. So that's not bad at all whatsoever. I ended up writing the total out before I got to the Navy Federal. So let's talk about Navy Federal first. So last but not least, Navy Federal. I owed them $776.11. $480.67 came from the phone. Remember, I had a total of $170 that I got for gift money that I'm going to put towards the $480.67. I turned around and spent $10.38 on Amazon. I also forgot about my annual fee. So I'm finally getting charged the annual fee for the credit card. I think it's worth it. I say it's worth it because if you think about it, I get an annual Amazon Prime credit, and annual Prime credit of $139. Of course, with tax, we'll add in the $13.21. So the only thing I pay is $13.21 for tax. If you subtract the Amazon credit for $139 and the annual fee for $49, I'm pretty much saving $90 every year, which is way better than paying for Amazon monthly. So pretty much with $49, I pretty much I'm able to cover the Amazon credit plus some. So that's why I think this fee is okay. Plus, I get more points back when it comes to travel related things, and with me and my friends going out of town, hopefully at the end of the month. Y'all know how the weather is in Tennessee. We get crazy weather. It may snow. We may have a blizzard. It may be hot outside. So we just have to, pay attention to the weather and go from there. If we can't make it, I need to send my friends a text message and, just see what we would do if we can't make it. Are we going to reschedule it? Are we going to move the date and go from there? So the total, $1,335.69 all together. When I go through and pay $170, $55, $147, I'll end up owing $761.69. Now, this is what I would owe without, going through my sinking funds and getting money from where everything needs to come from and all of that. So, for right now, I owe $1,335.69. And I did put yikes because that's crazy. So month to month, I don't want to carry over a credit card balance. So what that means is I need to think about it, because remember, I was wanting to pay Capital One off, and then I noticed my check was a little short, most likely because my job sent the bonus money and my check separate. So I still have that bonus money. I haven't did anything with it. Y'all, what that means is, before I swipe, matter of fact, I need to take all credit cards out, and I'm going to keep. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I just my phone just stopped recording because I ran out of space, but I went through and deleted the trash, which gave me 40 minutes of recording time. So I am back. What I don't want to do is carry credit card debt month over month. So what I'm going to do, which I've already done, I'm going to keep my Navy Federal credit card in my wallet. And I'm doing that because when I go grocery shopping and go to Walmart, I haven't been to Aldi's in a while, but when I go to Walmart, self checkout, I don't want to stand in line, and they ask, who got cash, who got credit, and I'm like, well, I got whichever one you need, so I just swipe my card and go from there. But I don't want to look at the credit card as, okay, well, I got a credit card, I can pay it back later. I don't want to do that. So taking all the credit cards out except for the Navy Federal card, I am, before swiping, I need to see if I have the money, no matter if I get it from my sinking fund for, whatever that thing may be I'm trying to get. So if I don't have it in my sinking funds, or if I don't have it in miscellaneous, then guess what? I can't get it. So there's that, and I think that would help a lot. Next, what I want to do is, like I said, is pretty much be mindful about the spending. Let's see, be mindful about my spending, because I just don't want to, buy any and everything. So what that means is I want to actually go back to how I was months ago, and when it comes to the snacks, I may get something, I may not. I don't need it at all whatsoever. You all know how I am with the dentist. I still haven't paid them their $749.50. I'm actually going to give the dentist a call on my lunch to see if I can pay with my health savings card. No, yeah, that's right, health savings account. But they may tell me to bring cash. But what I can do, if I do need cash for that, I will get it from my emergency fund and turn around and get a reimbursement. That's the only thing I can do, because I do not have $750 in cash at all whatsoever. But thank you so much for watching my video, listening to my TED Talk, y'all. I can't believe I did all this talking, because I see how everyone else feel. It's like we're not talking to anyone, but we're sitting up here just talking and talking and talking away. But I hope you all have a great Thursday. Definitely check out Tammy's channel at Make Money Save Money. Check out Tanya's channel at The Nightlife. I can't remember who else. I normally write stuff like this down, but definitely check out those two latest channels. And what I'm going to do is record another video. That way I can have a few videos ahead. That way I won't have to rush to, get things put out. I'm going to go ahead and record my video for my challenges, and also see what I have for cash savings, and just show you all. But have a great day. Happy New Year. Bye.